Hello and welcome to my channel. This is we're going to continue our FC26, and this video I would like to finish it once and for all, because we've been doing it for already 20-30 days, and I'm already, guys, tired of this project, and I would like to create some new games and stuff like that. So I wrote to Claude, I want to preview it. Wait, guys, let's wait out, guys. Okay, give a link, it did not work. Let's wait for it to give us a link, and then we can just open it, and that's all. Okay, guys, it finished. I would like to show you what we did. We did an exhibition match, like kick off. You can change your club difficulty and match length. Then we did rush 3v3. Then we did ultimate team, player career, manager career, and the best of them all, World Cup 26. All the teams are here. Me, I'm supporting France, so I like France, and my nation, I would like to choose my nation, France. Okay, guys, we added everything into this game. As you see, guys, we got everything. We got every players and stuff like this. So okay, guys, this was all for my FC26. See you guys in the next videos. Bye bye.